Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I have a huge summer clothing haul that I would love to share with you guys. I love shopping and I wanted to show you guys all the pieces that I got. These clothes are probably a combination of like 4 shopping carts, but I really wanted to share with you guys and I'm so excited to show you guys what I got. So if you want to see what I got, please keep watching. First piece I got here, this cute crop top, front tie crop top. I got this little thing. It's so comfortable, it's stretchy, and it's only $7.90, guys. It's like a steal. I got one in mustard. Shout out to Brenda, she loves this color. I got one in olive green. Could go with high-waisted pants, high-waisted shorts, high-waisted jeans, anything. So cute. And I got a black piece, you know, more versatile, wear this with anything. And I love these little things, so I had to get myself a couple. And yeah, only $7.90. I'm gonna try to do this quick because it's a lot, guys. I got this black knit cami in like a gingham print, and it's like a little crop top cami, little lace detailing right here. So cute for the summer, casual, every day, and it's only $9.90. Guys, come on, I'm putting you on here. All right, another cute little shirt I got. They're all little, guys. They're all crop tops. I got this cute yellow tube top. It's a knit top, yellow. Has little ruffles on the bottom. This material is stretchy for all those girls with the big chests. It's perfect for any type of chest, and it's only $12.90. I love this yellow color for the summertime. It's so cute. It's a pop of color, and it could kind of make you like feel like you're actually trying, when you could just wear this with some jeans and sneakers and you actually look really cute. Ooh, I love this. Next, I got this. It actually looks pink on camera, but it's actually red. This front tie crop top with these puff sleeves. I find this so cute for vacation. This is so adorable. For like a night out, a casual night out with like some oversized jeans, mom jeans maybe, and cute little heels. This is like resort vibes right here. I got another like puff sleeve shirt, and it's a blue and white striped top. It has like the buttons, a button down, and it's also a crop top. I love the white and the blue for spring and summer. They're really in, like the stripes and those details are really in this summer. Speaking of blue and white, I got this. Oh, I love this. This is probably one of my favorite pieces. This romper. It's the cutest thing ever. Gosh, everything is cute, right? This romper is like the gingham pattern with the white and the blue. It has a front tie, and then it has this open right here, like under the like chest area, more like the belly area. It's open, and it has these little sleeves. I think it could be either off the shoulders, or you can put them with the sleeves up, depending on what you like. Personally, I like both. Sometimes when the off the shoulders goes up, sometimes it looks weird because it's not meant for it to be that way. But since this could go either or, it's perfect because if it goes up, it still looks cute. Next, I have here again the pattern of stripes and white and blue. And it's like a sweetheart neckline, like a little heart kind of thing going on. It's a crop top and it's super cute. Oh, and sorry, this one is $14.90. Oh, okay. I got this. It's like a, I'm not sure you can see very well. It's like a front tie crop top. It's longer on the back and then short on the front, so like where the boob area is. And it has like a little bit bigger sleeves. And I got the same color in mustard. Brenda would be really proud of me. Where is it? And I just think it's so resort vibes, summer vibes. So cute, simple. You can dress it up, dress it down. Alright guys, so next up, this is probably another one of my favorite. It is a jumpsuit. It has like a tie in the front, and it's like mustard, black, and white, and it's really long and flares at the bottom. I think these would be so cute with some wedges, maybe some brown chestnut wedges, or even black wedges, white wedges, whatever you want. I feel like this would be good go good with anything, and it's so cute. All right guys, next up I have this light blue. Oh, this is called periwinkle. That reminds me of Blue's Clues. This periwinkle little cami button down with ruffles in the bottom. I think this is so adorable. The color is different, and it's like still simple at the same time. Oh, one more thing before I finish the haul. I got these cute wedges. They're from Forever 21. Guys, I'm telling you, you find things online. At the store, they have the shoes. They probably have these shoes there, but they're probably dirty. Everybody has tried them on. Guys, online you get special edition because nobody has tried them on. They're brand new, and if you know your size, you don't need to go to the store to buy shoes. So guys, come on, look how cute this is. And I specifically bought this to pair it with my jumpsuit, the one that's mustard, black, and white, the long one. I got these for that jumpsuit. So what do you think? Do you think it will look cute together? These were so comfortable. I tried them on, and they don't hurt your feet like most heels do, and they're like so cute for the summer. You could wear them with any of the tops that I mentioned. Ooh, with the red top it would look cute too. So yeah, I got them for that jumpsuit in specific, but I could get a good use out of them. Before I go, this shirt is also one of the things I got on my haul. It's a crop top. It's a button down off the shoulder, but you could also wear it over the shoulder. I know that the model in Forever 21 online was wearing it like this, I believe. I'm not exactly sure. And the back is like that. I got this same one in white. Let me show you guys. Wait a second. Hey guys, sorry, my camera turned off. But I got the same one in white, and I cannot find it right now to save my life. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's just the same shirt in white. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the spring and summer haul. I hope you guys love these pieces as much as I do, and I cannot wait to try them all on and wear them this summer. Don't forget to follow me on my social medias to check out if I'm wearing any of these clothing pieces this summer. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will definitely try linking all of these pieces down below as much as I can find. If they're still in stock, definitely check it out. I will have it down below. Don't miss out on these great pieces, guys. I love you so much.